that mango make it heavy.
Look at mango there, man.
Take up the mango.
It's a rub. And then salad to it, then sweet.
I pick it with me and you think I drop mango?
Let me pick one.
Pick one. How are you rate mango Kino?
For Waterhouse.
Waterhouse?
Yeah.
I use them. No, it's too heavy.
I don't want too much in it.
Yeah.
No?
It's supposed to go down.
Yeah, man. You know say you have to sugar in that. But we are sugar, man. Me know I do that. I just drink it same way when me done it.
That red pan.
Can smell the coconut in it. So we are waiting on the dumpling to finish.
Yeah, we are waiting on this. We done dumpling, breadfruit and banana.
Breadfruit in there as well?
The breadfruit, yeah, back dumpling cat. You saw the pack little bit?
Not a little bit, man. I see one smaller pot than that, man. This can shape about 40 dumpling at that auntie. You can see the people?
We can count them.
Oh, 40.
Let me count them. See there? 1 dozen and 2 dumpling in there. 1 dozen and 2 dumpling. I know you make them. Me make them, yeah.
Yeah, they call the dumpling.
Yeah, me count them.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah.
I'm going to put the one stick here.
Pan your stuff. Mango tree are overripe, man. Look, see how behind it as well, too. them there? Out here, so look. Them one there. Hey, I treat that tree up big enough still, you know. Mango pan ground, mango ripe and rotten. Yeah. Mango, some mango juice. A bag look almost full already, man. Niel, a bag look full already. Check them N1 the other so. Them N1 there. Yeah, the amount of ripe mango there on the tree, color. Yeah. So the amount of ripe mango there on the tree. Blackie. Yeah, blackie. The amount of mango. You can see what we pick already. You have a bag already? The amount of mango. Where? Well, you have to catch them. You catch it? You catch it, color? Yeah, man. I make some mango juice today. No man like chef me in the kitchen. It's at the outdoor kitchen in there. So I make some juice today. Like fish too.
Carrot.
No doubt. Mango, carrot, and ginger.
Yeah, you understand.
Well blend. Blending is splendid.
Ano ba nakakamit yan niya? Ako Niel, bakit ako mamili lobby na?
Yeah. Turn it up to me. Music.
Eh?
Jamie.
Tumangga ko lang da monte yan o.
Yeah, Jamie.
Kino, come to you no.
When? This month?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, so I say things ready for reap.
Kino, kaya na doon da yan o. Igot di din man. My boat di doon da yan o. My man di doon da yan o. My ram boat. My honey the biggest one. And guess what? Rama say go when they go to the goat no piss pan him.
Well, I'm ready for kid now.
I'm not ready for eating yet, man.
You want to see the big mango tree when we get them mango there out of auntie?
Eh?
The mango that we get a while ago. You want to see the mango tree?
I'm
Big.
big. You know.
No. That's all. Mango and carrot
Mango and carrot.
and ginger.
That's how out, man. The way I will put on the cold stove, so.
Too late now, tomorrow.
Tomorrow you put in.
Tomorrow.
So me can get mango and carrot juice later. And I can come for dinner.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, don't. And my two daddies gone. You know me parking it? I mean,
Two daddy have.
two daddy and two mama. And you told them,
Gone.
one left me.
I give thanks. Who asked the pine them? Never realize I saw the pine get big.
I find out the go what you mean now? The pine at the go now house kind of famous is. But I'm
No, a different one that.
We want
to
move it and get on the house stop.
upon the house stop first you
And then you
plant
bring it
it
down.
and then you bring it down.
I say one that.
And it's yes, and it's couldn't beer and Jim can't beer not
Jim can't. Jim can't be enough fruits.
Yeah, and I just come over here so I heard you plant it. A black mango there?
Yeah.
Take you one day, man.
But I swear you have one of the ready one there, though, I'm fine.
Fine, meat that's already. Put the mango make it heavy.
Let me try mango there, man.
Pick up the mango.
With a rub. And then salad to it, then sweet.
I pick it with me and you think I drop mango?
Let me pick one.
Pick one. How are you red mango tea?
For Waterhouse.
Waterhouse.
Yeah.
I use them. No, it's too heavy. Understand?
I don't want too much in it.
Yeah. It's supposed to go down.
Yeah, man. You know, you have sugar in that. But you are sugar, man. Me know I do that. I just drink the same way when we done it.
The red pan.
5% no sugar. No sugar needed.
No sugar needed.
But what do you more mango than that me do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
And
showed
never
it.
heavy.
Yeah, I have some jimbly no for the fish.
Never heavy. I will use the ear mango then. Ear mango me use the other day.
But when me done eat, me can't eat none of my food when me done cook.
Where you go?
Curry fish and
Wow.
bread fruit and no bank Mary.
So I come circle your pot dead man. More I come circle your pot.
One of my little dish. No,
No man, I want to cook pot man.
No man, I forgot share man. I bring my little saucer.
Chop.
I bring my saucer. When I bring a big plate, I bring a small plate.
No cooking in here, you know.
Sharing is caring.
One of my little top.
Eh?
My little
So you know that me can cook all this.
Okay, we find out.
Eh?
We'll find out.
Miss Sophia, you saw them at trouble me?
So you said the pot a bubble already? I come look on the pot. Sticking at the pot. Chef Niel, may I come 1 minute? Yeah, look for an auntie pot. Mango them sweet though. Hey boy, you know?
Sweet like sugar.
Yeah. Big pot this
I want to cook up this seat there. Dumpling and banana.
About 40 dumpling.
No sir, I must see dozen banana. See Steve fish. You see that boy?
No, you're going to be a things, auntie man.
Yeah?
You're going to be a things. I smell coconut tonight.
Yeah man, coconut.
What else you have tonight?
Okra.
Cheese, auntie.
And carrot.
You put a goat,
And
man.
curry. You mouth run water?
What? They say the smell alone and kick out. Can smell the coconut tonight. Auntie, your pot smell good. So we are waiting for the dumpling to finish. But
Yeah, maybe upon this. We dumpling, breadfruit and banana.
breadfruit in there as well.
The breadfruit, yeah, back dumpling. You saw the pot look a bit?
I don't look a bit, man. I see one smaller pot than that, man. This can shape about 40 dumpling of that, auntie. You can see the
No man,
people.
we can count them.
About 40.
Let me count them. See there? 1 dozen and 2 dumpling in there. 1 dozen and 2 dumpling. I know you make them, it's me make them, yeah.
Yeah, you have to count the dumplings.
Yeah, me count them and me count too much dumpling in pot can wall.
Alright, I know some
Right.
name the pan 2 of them there. And the fish. Is it 2
That's the
million?
roast fish.
Yeah.
Yeah man, me there man.
Same way.
Now go up till Monday.
Monday, so when you go on there? Monday?
No man, not one shot to them.
Jeez, people look on the pot. You don't want the fish? And what kind of fish in there?
Banga Mary.
Oh.
You mean the Banga Mary?
And you're going to eat things, man.
Yeah, but me never see fish in a sea without an head.
And you're going to smell the pot, smell good.
Yeah.
Smell good,
Yeah.
be eat things. Beer things, auntie are going with over there, don't need like the pot, you know. Yeah. Beer things, auntie are going with another pot. That pot's not good, man.
I book time here.
Yeah, book time.
Take out the another. Wait.
Time for book, boy. Time for the book. So, Chef Niel, so long now you're living in Seaview?
Here. About 6 years now.
6 years. So you like Seaview?
It's a far now because actually I come when it calm down.
In the right time. Time Seaview good again. So we don't live on St. Mary before?
No, I live at Durning Park. I left St. Mary. Left St. Mary from 2011.
Oh, 2011. That's when you come out of daddy?
Yeah.
Come out of daddy house. Big man.
Live at Durning Park. From Durning Park to Seaview.
Okay. So you only get how much child you have? Just one you to get? One boy. So you like Kingston?
Yeah man, things are alright, you know. Country slow, so it's going fast at pace. That's it.
So you used to do most of the farming in that country I used to work as well.
Not really, you know. Because in that country are most like my old man. My country days are most like school.
Okay. School. So you look Kingston come work and anything like that?
Yeah, so I left school now, just town, work. With the town, same time.
Work. So you know Kingston fast, you know?
Yeah.
Very fast. So you know think about opening up a restaurant? Because they must say you're bad for the chef, you know. And we know you're bad.
But at the money, the time, that's it.
The time. Because you work at the minute.
Yeah, once I have the resource and them things to start up my business. I just start I need, you know. Once you have a start, you know, there is no looking back, you know.
Yeah.
That's it.
You can't really give away your work for us. Start from this.
So, just want to start. Once I get a start, alright.
So them so I go on.
Bob Marley place.
Yeah. Because you know we are like the positive down there. And the place kind of rebuild as well. So it's good. It's really good. So, I know what they with the peel off my skin then. You know
Peel off the skin? No man.
What do you peel off my skin them? And just cut out the inside and just make one blend. But you go straight and see me because I got hard straight. That's why I peel the skin.
Yeah.
And I make it hard straight.
So you make it heavy.
Yeah, I'm gonna say make fever grass and lime juice. You ever drink that yet?
Fever grass and lime?
Yeah, fever grass and lime. Rasta man say, man, the holy man about that. But it makes sense, you know, because they can boil fever grass for tea.
Yeah.
And you can boil for tea.
Even the same lime leaf or lime skin can make tea, see.
Yeah, but yeah, same things so that him do. You must make it in a juice.
Yeah.
And him say, man, the holy man sell it. And you must have to sell.
You sell it?
Yeah. Downtown.
Yeah.
Fever grass and lime. And say, body's juice downtown, your body wants it. Anything hot can get cold. And you can drink it cold, not around for sure.
Like a medicine juice.
Medicine juice, yes. Medicine. Cool. That medicine juice one. So we are make the mango and ginger with carrot. Healthway, outdoors blending. You know the blending is splendid. And Chef Niel will say outdoor there. It's nice outside, the breeze are blowing nice. Young mango palm tree when time to time ready again. So we have a blacky mango there right there. Look at the breadfruit, you know. Yeah, I'll just roast it tomorrow and down.
Yeah, I'm buy two too.
Roast it tomorrow and done with the fish.
Sophie, crack the pipe looking for me there. Crack the pipe looking for me. Ginger look right.
Right. Good or bad?
Good, hot. Good, hot. Ready. Long time I see a ginger full.
You have to have it on the fridge? Yeah. Because they have to chew in and can put in the mango juice right there, you know.
Please chop now, take it.
Watch you now. You see life in Jamaica.
You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.